Okay, so today I'm making banana bread. I've never made banana bread before, so I'm very excited. Everything you saw before was fake and a lie, and I don't think I'm gonna survive making this. Okay, so first step, we're gonna preheat the oven to, oh thank God it works, to 325. It said to grease the pan, but I saw other recipes saying you can just put parchment paper, and I have like this big thing and there's a bit of a divot at the bottom, so I'm just gonna put parchment paper. Yay. There we go. And then you crumple it up. So that way it fits better. Look at how much I have improved since that cheesecake video that we're not going to talk about. Just kidding, we are going to talk about it. I made a cheesecake from hell, and look at that. That's beautiful. All right, so step one done. On to a lot more steps now. Okay. I'm going to start making the wet ingredients, yes. So first, I need half a cup. You can't see that, why am I showing you? I need half a cup of olive oil. Okay, so half a cup goes right in there. That's a lot of oil. There's a hair? You saw nothing. And then we need a third of a cup of honey. Wow, look at that. It's like, oh, you can't see. People keep being like, make more baking videos, Javier, make more. When I'm so bad at this. Like, is that what you guys just want to see? Me just fail at every conceivable way of being a filmmaker? Get out. Okay, I give up on that now. And then 2 eggs. I actually don't think it matters what order I do this in. The recipe was literally like, just throw everything together. It'll work. Oh, then I need a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Oh, that could have been bad. Oh, that could have been very bad. All right, I did that. We need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Well, and then we whisk it all together. Oh my God, this is disgusting. Okay, so this doesn't whisk that well. Okay, I guess it actually does. Huh, I should have done this earlier, but I didn't. I need to cut the chocolate that I'm gonna put in the banana bread. Here's a question. Does putting in chocolate negate any of the healthiness of this banana bread? This is dark chocolate, which has like antioxidants and vitamins, I'm pretty sure, that are good for you. So, okay, that's good enough. Okay, it's not good enough. I'm not satisfied. Okay, now for another thing. I should have prepped before maybe starting the bananas. These are the 2, this recipe says 2 to 3 bananas. I'm using 2. Hopefully these are ripe enough. Yeah, like maybe this one, like this is perfect for eating, this one. Oh no, it's fucked up at the bottom, that makes it okay. For the best results, I should mash it for like 10 minutes. I have to do this for 10 minutes. A lot of my friends are going outside and having fun and they're not inviting me. That's their loss, that they don't get to mash bananas with me. I've been watching Drag Race Australia. It's not great. I've learned something very interesting. Basically, every Spanish country has a different word for banana. Just to make shit so fucking hard for everyone involved in learning. just to fuck you all the way up. It doesn't smell nice, no. I was gonna say it smells nice, but it doesn't. Okay, so in the lovely wet mixture, we're gonna add the banana. And we're gonna whisk it together. Oh, it didn't take that long. And then we're gonna switch from a whisk to a spoon to add the dry ingredients. I mixed the dry ingredients off screen and I prepped it before. It's basically a cup and 3/4 of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now let's add a little more. Actually, let's just put the whole thing in there. Okay, now we can add the chocolate chips. It smells buttery even though there's no butter in it. Okay, that should be good enough. And we're gonna pour the batter into this thing. In the oven it goes for 55 minutes. And now it's time to clean all this.
Yeah.
Look at that! Look at that! Okay, so I moved it to a plate and it looks amazing. It looks fucking amazing. I cut it open. That looks amazing. Yeah? So let's try this beautiful piece. That's good. That's good. It's not very sweet, but the chocolate really adds sweetness to it. Yeah, if you make this, you have to put chocolate. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave me another recipe you'd like to try. I like to try other healthy recipes. Just to, like, improve my life. But yeah, this turned out so good. I'm very surprised. Thank you so much for following me on this journey. Abrazos. Bye.